Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use your Ucard at Walgreens. Really easy and simple. So you first need to go ahead and open up the United Healthcare Ucard Hub, log into your UHC member portal or use the UHC mobile app. And you navigate to Ucard benefits, check if you actually have available balance for the OTC purchases, right? And make sure you also have enough funds to cover your Walgreens purchase. And if you do, you just need to go ahead and find eligible items at Walgreens. So you want to shop for OTC medications, wellness products, first aid supplies, and other eligible health items. You just want to look for the UCard eligible labels in store, or you can scan the items using the UHC app, okay, to check eligibility. And if using your card for prescriptions, make sure your Walgreens is your preferred pharmacy under your plan, okay? And then it's very simple. You just bring your items to the checkout counter and then just swipe or tap your United Healthcare card like a regular debit card. And when they actually prompt you, you just select credit, okay? Select credit as the payment method. And in any case, when your total actually exceeds your UCard balance, you can use another payment method like cash or a credit or debit card to cover the difference. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.